Good morning, everybody. It is Daryl sitting at the automatic trade desk. I want to show you my NQ trade I had on today. 4 contracts on the NQ, the future of the NASDAQ index, the mini future of the NASDAQ index. This is the daily candlestick right here. We're printing the high ticks even as we speak. Current price over here. Okay, it is July 10th, 2026. 10:38 a.m. Pacific time, okay? 10:38. We reached our max P&L automatic trading the NQ today. Like I said, there were 4 contracts. We ended up with about 575 ticks per contract. We took 6 trades to get there. So again, daily candlestick reference. We're going to say goodbye to that as soon as I touch this chart. So let's go ahead and go back in time and look at the trades we took. So I'm going to just grab this. I'm going to go back in time. And I'm going back in time. Let's see. I'm going to get back. Last night we started trading last night about 10 o'clock, I want to say, at night. So there's a split trade. Look at that. So we'll look at this again in a second, but look, we had them 4 contracts. Price was only down here not long enough to fill all the contracts, okay? So we had a split fill on our target. We hit 1 and we were still carrying 3. And it went all the way up against us after that. And you can see, though, eventually it did come down and hit the other 3. So we'll look at that in a minute. So I'm going to just keep on scrolling back now. And I'm going to get back to the beginning where we started. Okay, let's see where that is. Right there. Okay, here we go. This was our first trade. You can see we had a stop, didn't we? We went long and it stopped out, okay? Hit our full stop on. That's how we started trading, okay? And so we can see how that went. And I'm going to go forward now. There's a little bit of a delay with the networking software. There's where we hit our stop, okay? Then what? We went short and hit target, didn't we? We went short and hit target, okay, with 4 contracts, as I said, okay. Now come forward a little bit more. Okay, here's where we hit target here. Then immediately got into another trade. We were flat for a couple of bars. By the way, I'm trading a 15-second bar today, okay, 15-second. And so as you can see, we were flat here and then we got into another trade, and that's the one that hit the split target, okay? So in futures, if their price action doesn't allow you to fill all of your trades, it'll fill some, and that happens occasionally in the futures market, okay? And so we're going to see where that was. I'm slowly bringing it forward. And there it is. Okay, so there's the one target we hit. You saw that already. With 1 contract. Still holding 3 all the way through this price action right here because it didn't fill. It went right to the tick and only one of them filled, okay? Didn't go through the tick. Most of the time you won't fill it all unless you go through the tick. This is a rare time that it did fill 1 and then we still had 3 on, okay? So I'm highlighting that and showing it to you. Okay, let's come forward. Here's where we hit target here. Easily hit target on the rest of the 3, didn't we? And that was right around 2 o'clock in the morning. Okay, boom, we hit that target. It came right down there for us. Then what we do? We tried to go short up here, but stopped out again, as you can see, okay? So we had another stop, okay? Coming forward. Then we got a long entry here, went long, that one hit target. Okay, come forward again. And there's where the target is. Come forward again. And this is where we hit our fire close daily max goal. I'm just going to get back to it a little bit here. One little squeeze more. The networking software makes it a little tough. But there it is. Okay, so this is where we hit target, and then the final fire close daily max goal P&L caused the automatic trading to automatically stop. Okay, at our max P&L. So we ended up with 575 ticks per contract, and that was just after 4 a.m., about 4:06 a.m. So when I got up this morning at 7 a.m., my friends, okay, 7 a.m. This was over with 3 hours before I got up. Isn't automatic trading amazing? Okay, isn't it interesting how it can work? Now, I've never seen any other automatic trading like this before in the world, okay? And I don't say that lightly, okay? These are massive trades. 575 ticks per contract on the closed P&L. Boom. You've seen it multiple days here where this happens, okay? How does it happen? Automatic trading, okay? Automatic trading with a data set, my friends. I used to be a discretionary trader, but I found a way to do as good or better than my discretionary trading with automatic trading. And believe me, my discretionary trading was pretty sweet. I've traded automatic trading. Caught my attention after trading for several years and looking at the hours and hours. I know you guys know what I'm talking about. Thousands of hours of screen time. I decided that wasn't for me anymore, even though trading was exciting, but I still wanted the benefit of trading. So I worked out the automatic trading. So what do you need to have a successful automatic trading system? You have to have, number one, great strategies. Strategies, my friend, more than one, okay? I don't trade the same one every day, more than one. How do I know which one to trade? That's the next thing you need to know. You need to have a data set, okay? So you know what every one of your strategies is doing. So I have a data set. Then what's the third thing you need to do? I have a unique, never heard of it before, I developed a color mask for my data set that exposes high probability trades. And boom, that's how I can get trades where if you plug this into AI and say, hey, what's the chance of getting 575 ticks per contract? Search that in Google AI. What's the chance of doing that in so many instances of day trading? It's going to tell you quite a few. I don't know how many day trades or how many trading days are in the year, but over 200, okay? But it'd be interesting. If you're interested in this type of trading, search that. You'll find out it's very rare, yet you see it here all the time. So what does that mean? I'm beating the probabilities by a lot. Okay, by a lot. Okay, so all that is to explain that automatic trading with a data set and a color mask is rules the day. Okay, automatic trading once again. Let's go to zoom back to current price and see how fast prices are going, because price has been pretty busy. So there it is. There's current price. You can see we're constantly clicking or changing our bid and the bid and ask and everything like that is going pretty good. Okay, so it is again currently almost 10:47 a.m. Pacific time. Okay, and it's July 10th. Automatic trading, my friends. If you've ever been considering it, it is the best time. I don't know of anyone else that has this type of automatic trading, as it is unique, as I explained. The results speak for themselves.